Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Today we are diving into something that's been stirring up lots of conversation. Character.ai's latest update. The company has removed the bulk message delete option, and I know many of you aren't happy about it. But don't worry, I will show you how you can still bulk delete messages easily with their new feature. Now, if you have been scrolling through Reddit, you have probably seen all the frustrated posts about this change. Users are annoyed because without the old bulk delete option, you are stuck deleting messages one by one. And let's be real, that's a total headache. Before the update, deleting multiple messages was super easy. You had to click the delete button, check marks would pop up next to the messages, and you could just select the one you want to delete, hit delete, and boom, you are done. But now the check marks are gone, and it's no surprise people are upset. But here's the thing, Character AI didn't actually remove bulk deletion entirely. Instead, they have replaced it with a new option called Rewind to Here. Honestly, I think it's a solid upgrade and it might even make things easier. Here is how it works. Go to the message from where you want to start deleting. If you are on the website, click three dots. If you are on the app, long press. Then select rewind to here. And just like that, all messages after that point are deleted. Pretty neat, right? Personally, I have grown to like this rewind option more than the old bulk delete feature. It's faster and it feels a little more streamlined to me. That said, I know not everyone is a fan of change. So I want to hear from you. Which team are you on? Are you missing the old bulk delete option or are you embracing the new rewind feature? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notification about more similar videos related to Character AI. Thanks for watching.